Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining today's webinar. Today's webinar is on automating compliance and precision in payroll processing using Oracle India Cloud Payroll. We'll explore how organizations can simplify compliance and achieve precision to intelligent payroll automation. Thank you once again for joining today. Let's dive deep into how Oracle HCM Cloud is redefining efficiency in India. Moving on to the next slide. Yeah. So we have Shivashankari Nagarajan, our Oracle Cloud Delivery Architect, who will be delivering you this webinar today. Over to you, Shiva.
Yeah, thanks, Meha. Welcome everyone to today's session.
I am Shivashankari, serving as a cloud delivery architect at Covion. I will be guiding you through this session.
Here is a quick look at our agenda for today's session. We will begin with an overview. Next, we will walk through the end-to-end payroll automation process, covering how payroll inputs, calculations, validations, and processing come together seamlessly. Next, we will walk through the end-to-end payroll automation process. We will deep dive into the complaints and regulatory features, including PF, ESI, Labor Welfare Fund, income tax, and other India-specific requirements delivered by Oracle. Following that, we will look at integration and how payroll connects with other platforms. We will also touch upon RetroPay, payroll reconciliation, and year-end activities, which are crucial for accurate adjustments and reporting. After that, the conceptual walkthrough, we will move into a live demo to showcase the experience within the application. And finally, we will open the floor for a Q&A session. Let's get started. This slide gives a quick overview of Oracle India Payroll. It's a unified and compliant payroll engine built to simplify payroll complexities. It offers comprehensive solution, includes earnings, deductions, taxations, and other needs along with seamless integrations across all platforms. The system ensures accurate, compliant, and timely payroll, which also supports scalable operations for organizations of any size. Finally, it provides strong transparency and control, giving clear visibility into calculations, validations, and all regulatory needs. This slide represents the end-to-end process of India Payroll. It starts with element eligibility and assignments, where we define what components applies to each employee. Next is input collection, which includes gathering of data like attendance, time, and other various claims. Once inputs are ready, we move to pre-payroll validations to ensure accuracy before processing. Then comes the payroll calculations, where salaries are computed based on rules and inputs. After that, we generate payslips for employees and perform various post-payroll validation reports. The next step is creating payment files for salary disbursements. Finally, we handle statutory complaints and year-end activities, ensuring adherence to legal requirements. This slide represents our approach to automate payroll. Our ultimate goal is to eliminate manual intervention and ensure accuracy and efficiency across the entire payroll process. We'll start at the base with automated earnings, which captures and calculates employee earnings seamlessly. Moving up, we handle allowances and bonuses, ensuring all variable components are processed without delays. Next, we automate statutory calculations like PF, ESI, labor welfare funds, professional tax, and gratuity, which are critical for compliance. Following that, we have income tax automation, which simplifies tax deductions and reduce errors. Further up, we manage reimbursements and exemptions, making it easier for employee to claim and for HR to validate. Finally, at the top, we have loan and advance recovery, ensuring smooth deductions and tracking. This structured automation not only saves time, but also minimizes compliance risks and improve employee experience. In short, it's a complete transformation from manual payroll to a fully automated intelligent system. Complaints. It's often complex, but we have made it simple and automated. Our solution supports all standard regulatory requirements, It keeps income tax calculations updated within the latest slabs and generate the various statutory forms, say like Form 24Q, Form 16, effortlessly. It also provides support for both old and new tax regimes, and most importantly, it has automatic legal updates. Ensure you are always compliant without manual intervention. This means less risk, less effort, and complete peace of mind for your payroll team. Integration. It's one of the backbone of a seamless payroll experience. Our solution connects with core HR, absence, time and labor, and any third-party system into a one unified framework. This ensures payroll has a single source of truth for accurate calculations, complaints, and timely processing. By eliminating data silos, we reduce errors and improve efficiency, which gives HR and payroll team a real-time visibility and control over their data. ESS features. Oracle empowers employees to manage their payroll and tax-related activities independently, which reduce the dependency on HR. The key feature includes view payslips instantly anytime without waiting for HR, submit tax declarations directly through the portal, ensuring timely compliance, upload proofs for investments and exemptions, making the process paperless and hassle-free. Track reimbursements in real time so employees know the status of their claims. And finally, view payroll history, which gives complete visibility into past payments and deductions. Year-end processing is one of the most critical phase in payroll, and our solution simplifies it end-to-end. It starts with tax proof collection, where employee can easily upload their investment proofs through the self-service portal. Next, we have declaration verification, ensuring accuracy and compliance before finalizing tax calculations. Once verified, the system automatically generates Form 24Q and Form 16, reducing manual efforts and errors. Finally, we perform annual payroll reconciliation, which provides a clear audit trail and ensure all payments and deductions are accurate. One of the biggest advantage of our solution is its scalable and future-ready architecture. It's designed to handle multi-entity capability, which means organization with multiple branches, legal entities, or business units can manage payroll seamlessly. Next, it supports high volume processing, ensuring performance even during peak cycles like month end or year end. Security is a priority, so we leverage cloud native security for data protection and compliance. Another key advantage is continuous statutory updates, so you are always aligned with the latest regulations without manual intervention. Finally, with Oracle AI enabled insights, you gain predictive analytics and smarter decision making capabilities. This architecture ensures your payroll system is not just efficient for today, but ready for tomorrow's challenges. Let's move to a demo and see how employee self-service features work together to make process simple and efficient. I logged in as an employee. Under pay section, we can able to see the various ESS features. The first feature is view payslip. With the help of Redwood migration, the employee need not to download the payslip each time. He can view the payslip with a single click. So I'm trying to view the payslip for March. So I don't know to download. Here I can see the snippet of how much I have paid and under which mode the payment has been given and the preview of the payslip. So this reduces the time of an employee to manually download the payslip each time when he wants to have a quick glance. And this page supports AI analyst. Agents are there. If any L1 queries related to policies, the employee can quickly chat with the bot and he can get his answers. The page has been designed in such a way to display the earnings, deductions, and the net pay individually. Payment methods. Using this page, the employee can update their bank account details. Year-end documents where the employee can download their Form 16 and 24 Qs. I'll show the investment declaration page. So employees can add their house rental details here. I have already added for 2 months. So I'm just trying to add for a past dated one. So system always ensures you can pick a date of the start date of the month. You can't pick from the middle of the month. So I'm just picking the start date. And in the to date, the system always forces you to pick the end of the month. So these implicit validations are already available with the system. Just giving some address. Landlord informations. So here also we do have the implicit validation, like say like I'm giving a rent which is more than 10,000, then the PAN card is required. You can't skip it. However, when the rent is less than the norms, then you can skip the PAN card. Even these implicit validations also available with the product. Just giving some random name to save it. Choosing with no PAN option. And choose the landlord type. By mistake, if I'm trying to save house rent with mutually inclusive month, then system will throw an error. Say like if I have already submitted an entry for August or June, then the system won't take another entry for the same month. Those validations are available. I'm submitting this. House property and home loan information. So here you can mention about the property, whether it is self-occupied or let out, the address, all these details you can put it. Even if it is a first property, you can mention it. The loan informations, you can mention it. In case if you are in pre-EMI stage, you can mention it. If it is a joint loan, you can mention it. And you can mention the percentage of claim. So the system will take care of the tax exceptions accordingly based upon the percentage which you are going to put here. To declare the other income, we have a dedicated page where you can mention the other income from your other sources, like your deposits or from business. For any other sources, everything you can mention it over here. I have added something under ATC deduction. So all the categories of ATC will be displayed here based upon your investment. You can enter these details here. Similarly, we have ATD, ATDD, and other deductions. So in this single page, all the other deductions under 80 category has been displayed. So leaving no room for any deduction has been covered in this product to a greater extent. Once the employee submits all his investment declarations, he can click on review summary to view what are the details he has declared. So after viewing it, he can generate the Form 12BB directly from the system with a single click. And also we have one more interesting feature where the employee can compare the tax between the old and the new regime. I haven't added any income for this employee, that's why it's showing 0. However, if I come down, you can see the taxation rules. Say like the ATC has been considered under old tax regime. However, it is not considered under new tax regime. You can see these things. You can see the difference here. So this gives the employee a clear view like how the taxation will be for him. What will be the tax the employee needs to pay for the entire financial year, the tax liability, and how much he has paid and how much he yet to be paid. All these informations can be displayed to the employee in a single page. This helps the employee to take inform better to take decisions and to do his finance planning. So how the employee has declared his investment. Similarly, he can submit the proof for all against all the investments in a single page. And once this has been submitted, he can submit for verification, and we can configure a seamless workflow for it based upon your organization policy. Considering the time for today's demo, we have planned for the employee self-service features. We have completed the demo. Thank you for staying engaged. Over to you, Maha.
Thank you so much, Shiva. That was a really interesting session on a very sensational topic. And yes, we do have a couple of questions from our participants for you. So let me read them out for you. Okay. So the first question is, we have our design for payslip, which includes tax calculation as well. Is it possible to customize the payslip based on our needs? I'll repeat. We have our design for payslip, which includes tax calculation as well. Is it possible for customize the payslip based on our needs?
Yes, it's possible to customize the payslip based upon your organizational requirement. Oracle offers flexibility in changing the branding and the layout in the payslip reports. So yes, you can do it, and you can customize the payslip to showcase what is the total tax liability for an employee for the financial year, and how much he has paid so far, and how much he yet to be paid. So all this projections and the calculations, we can show it to the employee in the payslip.
Okay. So the next question is, how does the system handle backdated changes or corrections? Does the calculation will be system driven or manual inputs? I'll repeat. How does the system handle backdated changes or correction? Does the calculation will be system driven or manual inputs?
Okay, it's regarding the backdated changes. Okay. Oracle supports backdated calculations, which we call it as retroactive process. where the system will automatically calculate all the arrears based upon the configured logic with respect to the backdated transactions, whatever has been entered, leaving no room for any manual entry over here. So everything will be system driven with respect to the backdated transactions.
I hope that answered the question. So the next question is, what are the various integrations Oracle supports with payroll? I'll repeat. What are the various integration Oracle supports with payroll?
Yes, I think I have covered about the integration in one of my slide as well. Oracle supports integration with almost all the platforms seamlessly with the help of OIC.
So the next question is, rather than running the cycle centrally, can we split it based on legal entities or business units to handle it separately? I repeat, rather than running the cycle centrally, can we split it based on legal entities or business units to handle it separately?
Okay. Yes, we can segregate and process the payroll based upon the organizational need. Say, like in your case, if it is a business unit or legal entity, yes, we can do it. We have something called a pay group. We can create the pay group based upon the our need, and you can pay the employees based upon the pay groups.
So the next question is, uh, can an employee easily switch between tax regimes in Oracle? I'll repeat. Can an employee easily switch between tax regimes in Oracle?
Yes, we can. So, as a process, the organization should have a window which let the employees to switch between the resume. So we can have a process line for it, and during that window, we can open the page up. We do have the investment declaration page where it let the employee to switch between the resume. They can switch it.
We do have a couple more questions. So, what feature in Oracle HCM Payroll do you think would improve employee experience the most? What feature in the Oracle HCM Cloud Payroll do you think would improve employee experience the most?
Okay, that's an interesting question. There are so many features are there. Couldn't conclude actually. However, as a taxpayer, my personal choice, the comparison option between the old and the new regime that excites an employee. So this will help the employee to take better informed decisions and to do the finance planning, since it gives them a high level, a detailed description of what will be the tax deductions under each sections if they go with old regime or if they go with new regime. So that is one of the interesting feature I can say.
Nice one, Shiva. There is another question. How do we handle employee queries related to pay slip or tax deductions today? I'll repeat. How do we handle employee queries related to pay slips or tax deductions today?
Okay. So, to handle these queries, I think AI agents has been enrolled by Oracle as a part of this Redo transformation. So you can enable the AI agents that will help the end user to answer all the basic L1 related queries. And you can extend the AI agents not just for the payroll, even for all your policy related queries, which is on HR policy, absence policy, benefit policy, or travel policy, whatever it is. For all the L1 queries, you can extend the AI agents, and yes, you can. Uh, the employees can get their answers instantly.
Awesome. So I think we have done with the Q&A. Can we quickly move to the next slide? Perfect. Yeah. Thank you, Urin. Thanks for joining so much today. I'll give a quick intro about Covion. So we Covion are known for giving agile, intelligent, and personalized solution to all our customers. We are specialized in the Oracle HCM, ERP, and the PeopleSoft front, and we are one of the Oracle's product partner who also take pride to be the first to implement Oracle HCM Cloud in the mid-market bundle in the APAC region as well. So right now we are serving around 45 plus countries with 210 plus active engagements from 5 global delivery centers with our very much talented 280 plus employees. And any offerings that we give for our Oracle Cloud customers would be an end-to-end digital transformation. So when we say end-to-end digital transformation, it includes right from your implementation till your managed service. It can be any enhancement, upgrades, updates, audits, a time and material engagement, we do it all for you. And as iterated, we not only give PeopleSoft or cloud expertise, we also invest a lot on the AI front, and we do a lot of AI automations to our customers as well. With that being said, I would again wanted to highlight how good this webinar was. Thank you so much, Shiva. It was really an interesting session. And thanks everyone for taking up your time to attend this webinar. I understand you would have, if at all you have any more clarifications or any more customizations needed for you, please feel free to write us at info@covion.com. We would be happy to get back to you with more personalized demos or any other helps that we can give for you. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks for your time.